big problem with Layflat hose is what do you do when you get a hole in it? You don't want to throw it away, and cutting out the bad section takes time and is expensive. So I'm here today to show you how to plug a hole quickly and cheap. I'm using a rubber plug and an insertion tool. Easy to operate. Remove the tip from the insertion tool. Place the plug in. Drive it home. Replace the tip. Put it in the hole. Remove it. And your hole's plugged. You can leave the plug in as long as you like, or it can be removed very easily. So let's go inside now and I'll show you some of the features of the tool. Okay, back in the shop again. I just wanted to show you the two installation tools we offer. Our standard one inserts a 3/8 inch diameter plug into the Layflat. We also have a larger one here that will install a 1/2 inch plug. Both of them work exactly the same way. We also have a kit that you can buy for either the standard or the larger size that comes complete with the installation tool, just like the ones we saw. It has a package of 250 plugs. It has a reamer in it. This is for when your Layflat maybe has a pinhole in it. You have to ream out the hole a little bit larger in order to make the tip of the installation tool fit inside. And lastly, it has an instruction card on how to use the system. One other thing to show is what's happening on the inside of the Layflat hose. As you can see here, the plug, once inserted, mushrooms out to form a tight seal. All of our products are made right here in the US. So if you need just a few plugs, you buy our kit. If you have a large farm or you need thousands of plugs, you buy our installation tools and our plugs separately. Visit us on the web at layflatrepair.com.